In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Schedule by Zapier for recurring tasks. If you're looking to automate reminders, routine check-ins, or recurring admin tasks, Schedule by Zapier is the simplest way to make them happen on a reliable timetable. Think of it as the clock that kicks off your workflow exactly when you want, so you never have to remember to press a button. Inside the Zap editor, start by searching for and selecting Schedule by Zapier as your trigger. This trigger is what decides when your Zap runs. Once you've chosen it, you'll be prompted to pick a trigger event, which is just the interval that fits your needs. For example, choose every week if you want something to happen weekly. You can tailor this to match your exact rhythm, whether that's a weekly report, a monthly reminder, or something more frequent. Next, configure the timing details. Set the specific day and exact time you want the workflow to fire. Zapier schedules are based on your account's time zone, so double check that your account time zone reflects where you are or where your team operates. This prevents surprises, especially around daylight saving changes. If you work across regions, it can help to choose a time that's universally convenient for your audience. Also, be consistent with your time format, and remember that the schedule will repeat exactly as configured. Before you move on, use the Test Step button to preview how Zapier will represent the date and time. This test returns a sample payload that downstream steps can use. It doesn't actually run your action in the real world, it just shows you the kind of timestamp and fields that will be passed along. If the sample looks off, revisit your day and time settings and adjust them now. With the trigger set and tested, it's time to add your action. Choose the app where you want the recurring task to happen, such as creating a Trello card or sending a Slack message. Connect the account for that app, then customize the action details. You can map fields and write clear descriptions so your future self or teammates always know what the task is about. If your action supports it, pull in the date or time from the schedule trigger to include in titles or messages, which makes logs and notifications more informative. That's it. With Schedule by Zapier handling the timing and your chosen app performing the action, your recurring tasks will run consistently and on schedule, freeing you up to focus on the work that matters.